Guys, welcome to Supercar Street Racing again. We are so happy to have you back. And before I do anything, I have to take my medicine real quick. Hold on, because I've been really sick. Let me do my medicine. All right, I got my meds taken. We are ready to proceed today on Supercar Street Racing, where we have a special edition, cruise edition for you guys. We are going on a cruise in about 2 weeks, so we have a special cruise edition for you today. We're gonna show you exactly how to bring liquids on board. I'm not gonna tell you what kind, but we're gonna show you how to bring liquids on board without having to pay. So let's do that today on Supercar Street Racing. Guys, directly in front of me and also right here in this space is our kit for getting some liquids onto the cruise. Now this kit is called the Smuggs. I will have a link in the description, but let me go ahead and preface this by saying this is not illegal. You can do this without going to jail. At the most, they will take yours and take it out of the suitcase, but that has never happened ever to me. So I feel like you're fine. In all reality, I am sitting at a 100% success ratio. This is a new mission for myself and Joe though. We're gonna try this out. We're gonna get this stuff out of the box. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to use it. And we're gonna see when we go on that cruise if this does work the way it's supposed to. Now what we have directly in front of us today is we have 2 Smuggs kits right here. And then we have the caps to reseal all of these lovely containers in the Smuggs. We also have our liquid water right here and right here. We have 2 different types of water. This one's from Mexico. This one is from Russia. And we're gonna go ahead and get that into the kit today and just see how much of a mess we can make when we try to pour this. So let's go ahead and get these kits unboxed. This is the same kit as this one. There are 2 here. Link in the description. Buy yours through our link so you help out Supercar Street Racing. Let's get this opened up. Guys, it's been a while since we've been out in Studio A, but we're back again. And today we have a very special sponsorship for you from Diveblues. Diveblues was kind enough to send us their cool little turbo handheld fan. This thing is right here. It has 5 speeds and it connects directly to a USB type A port. I've got it connected to the computer right now. And as you can see, you hit the button right here on the back and that is speed 1 and it goes all the way up to speed 5. Check it out. I know you guys can hear that. Now it is outputting a good amount of wind right now. It is very cool. As a matter of fact, this is going to be perfect for the studio. I'm gonna put the Diveblues fan right here on the desk, and that's how it looks. It's a pretty cool thing, man. It's just a tiny little fan, but man, it does a lot for a USB powered fan. Go ahead and check it out. You'll get your link in the description and a special discount code from Supercar Street Racing. Buy your fan from our official affiliate link and tell them Supercar Street Racing sent you. Right in front of me, you see the patented SCSR Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops knife, ready to tear into the Smuggs. And directly inside the Smuggs, first thing we have there is a Havana Joe sunscreen. Next thing up, we have a coconut milk healing shampoo and body wash. We have a body lotion, silky smooth body lotion infused with Hawaiian orchid oil. We've got a aloe after sun cooling, so when you go to the pool, you have both of those. We have a aloe vera body wash, and we have a relaxing lavender oil. And I didn't know it, but they actually did give us caps, so I bought those for no reason. Oh well. Now what you're gonna find in the other one is the same exact thing, because this is my set, that's Joe's set. And so now let's open up the other kit. And directly inside the other kit is exactly the same thing. got our towel here too, and basically all we have to do right here and right now is get this liquid into these containers, and it might be that I need to rinse these out as well. I didn't think about that. Let me rinse this out. Now, which one of these do we use and how do we know not to fill it up? So this one looks good. This water here is from, well, actually, I don't think it is from Russia, but it's Russian style water. How much water will this fit? I can't see through it. We might run out of water. All right, this water bottle is ready to go. We can now take water with us on the cruise. Let's go ahead and fill up the aloe vera. Water number 2 is ready to go. We are almost out of water though. I feel like we won't even get this one full. Okay, before we go any further, I need to take my medicine. Shout out Armstrong Acres Farm. They have been very influential in my video career. Shout out Armstrong. All right, moving on to the Mexican water. This time I know I've already taken some water today because I was thirsty. This pours way stronger. Where we are. We're not close yet. Oh,
These nuts.
blew it. That poured way faster than I anticipated. All right, I'm gonna open up our aftermarket buttons here. That one's all the way full. When you tighten it, it kind of just seals, but I wasted a lot of water right there. Okay, a little bit more careful this time so we don't waste a bunch of water. Okay, we're right here in front of the Smuggs, and I'm not gonna finish this in front of you because it's boring. But I do wanna say that they want you to put these into the caps, not onto the bottles, but it's kind of the same thing. You place them in the caps, and it does say do not try to walk your luggage on with these, only check your baggage, which is what we're going to do. That's not leaking at all. So you fill them up so there's no sloshing, so you fill them all the way up. That one might need a little more liquid. That one does not, so they want you to make sure it's all the way full. It tells you to put them in storage bags, so we're gonna get some gallon Ziploc bags to put those in as well. That way if they leak, it doesn't matter, it leaks directly into the bag. These are to pour in the bottles.
Got him!
Anyway, guys, you get the picture. The Smuggs kit is comprehensive. Get your Smuggs kit from the link in the description. I would love to hear your experience if you try to put, it's gonna be fine. Look, guys, I have actually done way less of an effort than this and had zero problems. Let Supercar Street Racing know how you did on your trip. Now let's go into Studio B and check this out online, how you can get your kit, order it now, let me know how you did. Shout out Armstrong Acres Farms. We are right here in front of the Amazon link for the Smuggs kit, and this will show you how you can get your water on board. It is $23.49. I bought 2 of them, one for me and Joe. It has a 4.8 star review, so that shows you how good this kit actually is. It has 4x16 ounce bottles, 2x8 ounce tubes, and 12 seals included with it. These are all food grade plastic with 12 safety seals and instructions, leak proof. Keep it discreet, guys. Go ahead and order these from Smuggs. There will be a link in the description, you can see right here. So you're gonna need more than a 1.75 if you're gonna fill all these up. So that's perfect for cruises, beach days, pools, anything where you need to smugs your jugs. $100 of savings inside, fits in any luggage also, but I would encourage you to put those in a big gallon Ziploc bag before you go directly onto your cruise ship. There will be a link in the description to the Smug, so you will be able to order your own for when you go on your nice trip. And right here on the dashboard, we have 129,173 subscribers, and we encourage you to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can see when we publish a video. And we are so appreciative for your support. I am sick right now, and I'm sure you guys could tell by my voice, I've been struggling for the last 4 or 5 days. So getting this video up is going to be tough, but I'm working through it. Like, subscribe, support Supercar Street Racing. Watch our last video about recess sliding. The one before that about AI robotic lawnmowers is also killing it. Let's get going, guys. We got a cruise to go on. Let's get out of here, but I gotta get some medicine first.